welcome back to my channel, The MBA Guinea Pig. My name is Urvashi Jain. I'm an MBA from MDI Gurgaon. I am a sales and marketing professional, and currently I make videos on everything related to how I prepared for MBA, my life post MBA as a salaried individual. Also, I recently got married and moved into a new house in Pune, and like I promised, I would give you guys a house tour once the house is set up. Well, the house has been set up for about 4 months now. It's just I got a little tied up with my job and also this new way of living post marriage. So YouTube had to kind of take a back seat for a while. But before I begin the house tour, I have to just give you certain pointers. My husband is so camera shy. He's run out of the house so that I can complete filming this video. My tripod is not working, so I have to go through shooting the video with the camera in my hand. So forgive me if the video is a bit shaky. With that in mind, for those of you who felt interested, let me take you through my house. I particularly chose to start from here because I have to show you just how Indian my house is. This is the doodh ande ka thela latkoing outside the house. And also, we need to have the greens in a millennial house. So there's a plant right outside. So, okay. So now here's our living room, or you may call it the drawing room. We have, of course, we have some sanitizer sprays over here, not from my company. My mother-in-law bought it, so from another company. This is the shoe rack which we have. And then moving on, here's a TV which we only use to play our workout videos because we don't really watch much TV over here. All of this is not our furniture. It came with the house. We really like it. When I initially came to this house, I really could not, appreciate this blue wall. And I was like, it's pretty dark for me, and I don't know, does not really fit into my sense of style. But we, put this sofa set over here. So this my parents gave me for my wedding. It's a Fab India sofa set. And we put the red cushions with it. This is an old bookshelf which I think we've had ever since I was born. So I borrowed it from my parents and I put it over here. And yeah, now I kind of think like, I don't know if I've got used to it, or I don't know, like the blue wall just fits right now for me. So I like it. To show you how it looks from another angle. Yeah, so this is the whole unit, the TV set. We don't really have much things. Me and my husband both like to keep things light. And therefore, all of this, showpiece cabinet is empty. That vase that you see over there is actually supposed to be here on this table. But I clearly should have tidied up the house before shooting this video. Anyway, coming to my favorite corner of this house, this is my puja area. So every morning I stand over here and I pray. There is a little diya which you might be able to see. So yeah, I pray and I just put plants because I feel like sometimes when I want to meditate, it helps me better with meditation. We have our yoga mats over here, and usually I just I play my video. I play my workout video over there. So if either I'm doing floating or I'm doing freeletics, I just put my mat over here, and that's it. I have enough area to do my workouts. Moving on. Oh yeah, so we have this green facade, like this green cover looking right at us when we move into our balcony. And we have this really nice swing jhula. So me and my husband, we have a morning green tea, coffee, whatever on this jhula. We have our weekend chill sessions on this jhula. There are some more plants. Some of these plants, we acquired when we got the house, and we've just continued to, water them. And yeah, so we're happy. I think the plants are doing well. There's also a little joke which goes with this house, is that when we rented it, we saw this plant, and this planter has this weird steel thing coming out of it. So my husband was like, This is just a reminder to us that, you know, what life has become now. There's only steel and cement which comes out of the earth, and this is just a reminder of how bakwas life has become. Very morbid, but yeah. So we dry our clothes over here. Therefore, the stand, some toiletries to go with, and yeah. And now this is an interesting thing. So, you know, we've put a leather ball in this socks and we've tied it to the chokhat. I don't know what do you call a chokhat in English, man, but yeah. And there's the bat. So I think you safe to assume what we exactly do over here for time pass. So that's our favorite time pass to do in this house. So this, again, this dining table is not ours. We inherited it with the house. So that's what we've been using. Some things which are always on our dining table are khakra, because we're now a semi-Gujarati household. We always have my dry fruits, because I don't like to have desserts. I like to have my dry fruits after a meal. Coffee for my husband, some mukhwas, because again, we're half Gujarati now. Some chaat masala, because we're also half North Indian. So yeah, that's what's on my table. Moving on to the kitchen. Now, this I got. This again I, you know, just stole away from my parents when we were moving here. It's a very old OTG that we had, and guys, please get yourself an OTG if you don't have one already, because wow, I mean, you can put cakes in it, you can put pizzas in it, you can put toasts in it, and there's just so much you can do with an OTG. Oven, toaster, grill basically. So yeah, some sugar, tea, masala, tel, whatever. This is a 4-burner because I love to cook, so sometimes I actually use all the 4 burners together. So again, you know, whichever facade that you look out from over here, you always see some green cover from this house, which is what we loved about this place. And we got the water purifier from the landlords, so we got lucky with that. Coming to the fridge, again, got it from the landlords. That is from our honeymoon, the Maldives magnet. This is an area I'm very proud of. So basically, we keep all of our pantry loading happens in these cupboards and drawers. And again, got the microwave from the landlords. These are all the dals. I love dals, so every evening I cook one of those dals that I've kept over here. So yeah, I have every dal on earth you can possibly name. And there are some achars and all, achar, namkeen, gur. Some little crockery that we've managed to have. Moving on, this is chawal atta and protein powder. Yes, again, so we're a millennial household, so of course we have protein powder. Moving on, dustbin, washing machine, in which we're, you know, oh yeah, so I've put a load of clothes. So I again, this is one thing in which I'm not millennial at all. I like to wash my clothes every single day, put all our dishes and everything in this area. So what I love about this house is that it's so practical, because you know, when you kind of stand over here from the kitchen, you only see the washing machine and that laundry basket that we have. You don't really have to see the dirty dishes, but you also get a very nice space for that purpose. So yeah. Then moving on, where should I take you first? The guest room or my room? Okay, so I'll take you to the guest room first. This is a utility wash area that we have. We keep a spare cylinder over there. Not so millennial, right? But that's something my dad arranged for me, so we're sorted. And this is a nice utility area that we have. This bathroom over here is the one I use. And yeah, so my husband and I prefer to use different washrooms, so just so that we fight a little less. But that's how we do it. And so this is a little bookshelf that we have, which we use for a lot of things other than books. And yeah, so this is a very simple room that we have, not much going on over here. I love rugs, so this I bought from a local store in Pune. Yeah, both of these I bought from Pune. This my parents gifted me. I think it's from Welspun. This whole set is from Welspun. This bed We rented from Furlenco, I think, and then the side table and everything came with it. Just to show you again, like I told you, like any window you look out from this house, you always see green cover. So it's a very soothing, calm house, and a lot of light hits your eyes. So it's a pretty cheerful house. Moving on to my room. Okay, so this is the shelf that we have. We have all our masks. We have a collection now. We have a bat knocker because my husband loves bats and he's recently bought one. So yeah, random stuff in this shelf. That's our bed. That's my laptop because this desk is what my husband uses. I use the bed usually to work. Again, there's a rug because I never like to step on to cold floor when I wake up in the morning. So I always keep rugs around my bed. Again, very simple layout. So I like to write, so usually during the nights, I have a skin regime, which I do. The pouch is in this drawer. Then I usually watch an episode of some show, moving on to reading a book for about an hour, writing my diary, and then I go off to sleep. So therefore, all of that is kept here. This is my husband's corner. These are my books, but he uses it to keep his laptop on top of this. He uses two screens, so he needs it. And yeah, this place is always a mess, and I really don't bother about it because it's his space. Again, a lot of green cover over here. Moving on, this is another side of the bed. So yeah, we have all our chargers over here. We have a night lamp for when I'm reading, the AC remote, and cream. So I need a cold cream random times of the day, so we always have it in different corners of the house. We have these double cupboards, which I love, a luxury in homes in Maharashtra. And we also have this full length mirror, so I really like this. That's about it. I hope you like our little house. With that, bye bye.